Hi, my name is Michael Witt of Fairchild Equipment. I am a service writer for Northern Illinois and Southern Wisconsin. A little bit about myself personally. I love boating. I love being at my cabin, either out on the water or sitting by the fire. My tip for today is to focus on total cost and not on labor rate. Our company, we spend a lot of time and money into training, and our techs have the best equipment out there. So as you may see other companies maybe 25% less, it may take them 3 times as long to do the job that we can do in an hour. Labor rates can be confusing, so in order for you to keep your forklifts up and running, rely on us, Fairchild Equipment.